Party steak. Double fedora is pretty, stupid, and also kinda annoying. Dog. They literally hate each other. Yeah, no shade, but how do people genuinely enjoy that? And the fans are really toxic too? I don't know about you, but I feel really uncomfortable when it even appears on just my feed. Also, why are 90% of the shorts got about them about to do the deed? Son, what the heck are they feeding? Y'all double fedora fans. I risked my life by watching one, and I almost died of cringe. Man, and why is Chance always the gay one? Like he has so many gay ships. Like, come on now. Well, Chance, signing off.